The other author, Martha, is a mother, but furthermore, she also has a brother who is worthy and earthy, and his name is Arthur.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Jackie. Today, we're going to talk about pronunciation. Yes, we're going to work on two different consonant pronunciations, th, th, and the. Okay? Th, 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 and the, which are pronunciations that we use and that we hear a lot in English. Okay? And so before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, CEST Jackie, Say Jackie, for more English lessons. Hit that subscribe, hit that like or dislike. It's all good. And leave me a comment below letting me know what you thought about this lesson. And also, if you have other lesson ideas or things that you would like me to hit, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and or send me an email at sejaki@gmail.com. Thank you. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. So first, let's talk about where to position your mouth and tongue when you're making these two different sounds, right? So let's start with th, th. So th, th, th. Your tongue is hitting your teeth, right? When you're saying th, th, and there's a little air coming out. Th, th. Now for the other sound of the, you can already see the difference, right? My tongue is sticking out a lot, and your teeth are hitting somewhere in the middle-ish of your tongue, right? The, the. See my mouth and teeth? You should feel some kind of vibration on your tongue. The. If you don't feel a vibration on your tongue, and if your tongue is not out, you're not making the sound right. Okay? The and th, th, th. Okay, we're gonna practice some words that are going to use th and the. The. Okay? So repeat after me. Author, author. And the other one is other, other. Next one, Arthur, Arthur. And rather, rather. Next one, earthy, earthy. Its opposite, worthy, worthy. Okay, next one, Martha, Martha. And mother, mother. Next one, nothing, nothing. The other one, brother, brother. Next one, Bertha, Bertha. And with the other sound, further, further. Cool. Very good. Let's repeat them one more time. Okay? Author, other, Arthur, rather, earthy, worthy, Martha, mother, nothing, brother, Bertha, further. Excellent. Okay, let's do a couple of others, shall we? Growth, growth, loathe, loathe, tooth, tooth, smooth, smooth, both, both, clothe, clothe, wreath, wreath, breathe, breathe, faith, faith, bathe, bathe, mouth, 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 mouth. Very good. Let's repeat them all one more time. Okay? Growth, loathe, tooth, smooth, both, clothe, wreath, breathe, faith, bathe, mouth, mouth. Very good. Now, I don't know if you've noticed and if you're paying attention to your breath and the way that your mouth is forming these words, but when you're doing the th, one, you're exhaling breath out, number one, and number two, it's short, it's a shorter sound, whereas the It's a longer sound. The, mouth, breathe, right? It extends, it extends. Whereas is a short sound. Okay? Now, some of the most common English words which has this are thank, thick, thin, thing, thirsty, thousand, three, through, throw, Thursday, thought, 30, healthy, wealthy, something, anything, both, bath, breath, cloth, earth, forth, faith, health, month, north, south, path, worth, and death. Okay? So these are some of the most common English words with this sound. I'll repeat them one more time so you can hear them. Okay? Hear them and feel free to repeat them too. Thank, thick, thin, thing, thirsty, thousand, three, through, throw, Thursday, thought, 30, healthy, wealthy, something, anything, both, bath, breath, cloth, earth, forth, faith, health, month, north, south, path, worth, death, etc., etc., etc. Of course, there are many other words that have this sound as well. These are just some of the most common ones. And here are some of the most common English words which contains the sound the. Okay, are you ready? The, right? This, that, these, those, there, then, they, them, though, than, other, mother, father, brother, either, neither, or neither, further, clothes, leather, together, weather, weather, breathe, with, smooth. Very good. Let's do them one more time. Okay, let's do them one more time. The, or sometimes you hear it as the in certain places and with certain words. This, that, these, those, there, there, then, they, them, though, than, other, mother, father, brother, either, or either, neither, or neither, further, clothes, leather, together, weather, weather, breathe, with, smooth. Very good. Awesome. Okay. Please, 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 please keep practicing. Okay? Keep practicing. That is the only way to get better at pronunciation. Okay, it's just to practice, 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 practice. And a really great tip is to go in front of a mirror and look at your mouth, your teeth, your tongue, and the position of your mouth, teeth, tongue when you're saying these words. And if it's not in the right position, then maybe you're not pronouncing these words correctly, right? So feel free to do that. Feel free to hit me up, to message me if you have any questions or need any other advice. We will be doing other pronunciation exercises, so watch out for that in the future. And I hope to catch you at our next lesson. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with the world. Thank you so much. Y'all are the bestest. Ciao.
Expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.